Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the June Bellabox, so let's get into it. It is freezing here in Adelaide. I'm so cold, so I'm snug as a bug in a rug, and I thought, what better time to unbox my Bellabox. So it's feeling kind of heavy this month, so something exciting in there maybe? So the theme this month is travel ready, and these are all the products. Ooh, exciting. First thing I see in here is this big bright purple stuff. So it is a Maui Moisture Shea Butter Shampoo and Conditioner samples. Now, the thing that annoys me is that each one of these is its own sample in the box. Personally, I think that they should be a joint as one, not one and then one, because you're not using them without each other, so you kind of miss out on a product. Like every other shampoo and conditioner we've ever gotten has always been together as one sample, so I don't like that they've done that. I feel like I'm missing out on a product, but nonetheless, I'll still try them anyway. Oh, it smells amazing. And it's for dry hair as well, so perfect for me. It says creamy shea butter is whipped into this hydrating shampoo blend along with rich coconut and macadamia oils. Help deeply quench, nourish and soften strands for your hair back to looking healthy. This is the perfect companion for your travels. And then the conditioner says Maui Moisture Heat and Hydrate Shea Butter Conditioner starts with a unique blend containing aloe vera juice and infused with pure coconut water. For best results, use in conjunction with the shampoo so your hair can be seriously silky. No doubt this will be your travel essential for you. So this is just a sample size, and you can get this size for $4.99 per bottle at Woolworths or Priceline. So again, it's not like it's an expensive thing, so I don't know why these couldn't be one sample together. Well, I don't know why they have to be separate samples. That's not fair. Like, come on. It's getting stingy here. But yeah, I will definitely be using these. They smell really, really nice. Next is something I'm pretty sure I've received before, and that is this White Glow Charcoal Toothpaste. I reckon I've received this before. And if I haven't, I've definitely received this somewhere else before, but I've definitely received White Glow Toothpaste in Bellabox before, and I think it was a black one. White Glow's whitening toothpaste is activated with charcoal particles to help detoxify your mouth while removing deep stains and discoloration. It's highly absorbent, so it penetrates and draws out stubborn stains and whitens teeth enamel. So this is just a sample size, but you can buy the full size from Chemist Warehouse, Priceline, Woolworths or Coles for $5.99. So this isn't even, like, because this is barely makes up like a quarter, not even a quarter of a full size, and the full size is $6. It's like not worth a lot either, so a lot of affordable products in this expensive box. I will add it to my collection and use it eventually. Next is something I'm actually very curious about. It is the Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Wake up with radiant skin thanks to Dr. Botanicals Hydrating Overnight Treatment. Its pomegranate ingredient packs a punch with antioxidants, nourishing and rejuvenating the skin while you sleep. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. So this is actually full size, hooray. It is $21.90 at rye.com or lookfantastic.com. So not accessible in store, which sucks, but it is what it is. Quite a small product, to be honest, but I'd hate to see what the sample looked like. Also curious as to how a sleeping mask works, because I'm so scared it's just going to get all over my bedding because it's expensive bedding and I do not want to get covered in mask. It says, use 2 to 3 times a week, apply a thin layer onto clean, dry skin in the evening, allow the mask to sink into the skin, leave overnight, cleanse as normal the following morning. Warning, discontinue use if redness occurs, avoid eye contact with eyes, do not ingest. Well, I'm very keen to try this one out. This looks like a really interesting product. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't get all gross in my bed, so... Next is what I'm assuming is the makeup product. It is a Seraphine Botanicals lip/cheek crayon. So for things like this, I would probably just use it as a lip crayon rather than a lip and cheek, just personal preference. And it is full size, $24 US at the Seraphine Botanicals website. Give your skin a boost of color without compromising its moisture. This crayon delivers a velvet serving matte finish and glides on as smooth as butter. With a blendable formula that boasts 8-hour longevity, it's a flush made to last. So, I think my shade is Quince. Or everyone's shade is Quince, I'm not sure. So the tip of it is kind of like it's a red. So maybe we did all get different. Ooh, that is a really bright red. You could probably just wear that as a lipstick or something on its own. You don't need to use it as like a lip liner or anything. I wouldn't put that on my cheeks. It's a bit red. My face is already red enough. But yeah, that's a really cute product and I'm glad we got that one. And our bonus sachet sample is this Garnier Pure Active Charcoal 3-in-1. It is an anti-blackhead wash, scrub, mask situation. I'll definitely try that one out. And also got some other stuff included in here. There's a competition that goes with this toothpaste. It says take a selfie with the product. The theme is Men in Black for the Men in Black movie. Post to Instagram. Win prize is London trip for 2. If you really want to do that, you can. And there's also a $100 wine voucher for Naked Wines. My parents have actually bought Naked Wines a couple times, so I might pass that on to them. But when they've used it, they've used $100 vouchers as well that they've, I don't know where they got them from, but with shipping and that, it still worked out to be 80 or not, like 80 bucks, I think, like 70 or $80, even with the $100 gift card. So just be wary of the fact that just because you get $100 off doesn't mean you're not going to be spending like a little, you're going to be still spending a decent amount of money. And it's also not my dad said it wasn't the best quality wine. Like I live minutes away from the Barossa Valley here in Adelaide. I have so much amazing wine, you know, 15 minutes away from my house, that the wine that they got in the boxes, it was drinkable. It wasn't terrible wine, but you know, we've got so much better so close to us. So not everyone, I guess, lives near wineries, but yeah, if you're interested in that I actually have a take on it. So yeah, that was everything in the travel ready box. They definitely got the products right in terms of the theme, I think. But yeah, just the one thing I don't like about this box is the fact that the shampoo and conditioner are 2 separate samples. Like, they should be the same sample. We should have gotten 1 more product in this box. That's the only bad thing I have to say about it. I like every other product we got. The sachet sample is a really interesting one we haven't received before. I love that we got a makeup product. The toothpaste, everyone uses toothpaste, so I guess it's like, even if you're not gonna like use it straight away, it's great to have like a backup, like just in case you ever run out. The mask, I'm really interested to try that, and this smells amazing. again, I just wish it was the same sample, and I wish we'd gotten something else. You know, one more item. So yeah, no, I'm really happy with the box, just not happy with the number of samples we received, but is what it is, what you gonna do. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below what you think of your box, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.